50 years, thermal imaging has been used in wildland firefighting to assist incident commanders in placing and monitoring personnel and equipment. It's been an invaluable tool for firefighters on the ground as it helps crews to monitor fire movement, discover hotspots that are not visible to the naked eye, and even assist with navigation during low visibility. Primarily, thermal imaging is utilized from an aerial platform in either fixed-wing or rotor-wing aircraft. High-altitude aircraft provide a big picture of the fire. The U.S. Forest Service operates a program which flies aircraft for this purpose. The National Infrared Operations, or NIROPS, delivers real-time, high-res infrared imagery and fire detection data to incidents. The other main source of thermal imaging operates at a much lower level, typically 200 to 300 feet above the ground. This low-altitude operation provides tactical information to crews on the ground by pinpointing heat locations with clear, high-res imagery. This helps guide firefighters to hidden hotspots that are not visibly burning or smoking. Jim Nice is the owner and operator of VETS, Veterans Emergency Technical Services. His company provides low-altitude infrared imagery to incidents. He is both an Army veteran and a fire service veteran, having served for the Ventura County Fire Protection District where he was the GIS manager. Mr. Nice has been mapping since 1980 and taught himself Geographic Information System Mapping, or GIS, during night shifts as a computer-aided design technician. He began mapping fire in 1996. His mapping interest eventually led to other technologies such as video and infrared imaging, which culminated in the creation of his mapping company, Veterans Emergency Technical Services. Today, Jim is flying missions on the Dolan fire in the Los Padres National Forest, which is currently being managed by California Interagency Incident Management Team 15. On an incident, Jim's daily office is a pull-along trailer or a seat of the helicopter. He operates special gimbaled cameras mounted to the helicopter that detect infrared or heat energy. These cameras were designed for non-destructive testing but also works extremely well for locating hotspots. Heat signatures can be set to identify the difference between sun-heated rocks or soil to burn area heat and hazard heat. Hazard heat might indicate an island of burning green or a flare-up on the fire. Utilizing video and infrared technology, Jim can spot and record fire, hotspots, and even ash pits using variable heat signatures, which is crucial in identifying threats to firefighters and problem areas needing attention on the ground.
So the difference between the VETS infrared and the high altitude products is that they're primarily an operational. They're looking at the entire fire, seeing the progression. They do a great, wonderful job. My work is more tactical. I'm typically 200 to 300 feet above the ground and actually identifying individual hotspots that the crews can then go out and attack.
Jim's VETS operation, along with other infrared capabilities, like those provided by drone footage, have added an unconventional firefighter capability. They seek and find heat in areas that are impossible or too dangerous to reach by wildland firefighting crews. By locating the fire and identifying the type of heat, the correct attack can be coordinated with greater efficiency and much less risk.
My plan is to pass this business off to another veteran that would be interested in carrying on the torch to keep this going.